Now, the next formatting option in Tableau is creating a dimension hierarchy. So when we say a hierarchy, hierarchy is the arrangement of relevant columns in terms of their existing levels. So we say, when we say a hierarchy, it is a grouping of few of the dimensions. Like for example, we have the category, we have the subcategory, we can club it to a single dimension. Again, we have we have different geographical elements. For example, we can create a hierarchy of it. Like we have the country, we have the state, we have the local districts, we have the pin codes. All of them can create a geographical hierarchy. And when we say a dimension hierarchy, so it's like the hierarchy is being created only on the dimensions existing in the data sets, because facts are the numbers, they cannot be arranged in a hierarchy as there are levels. So usually the hierarchy that are being created, those are dimension hierarchies only. Let's see how to create them in Tableau. Now I have opened a Tableau desktop and let's see how to create a hierarchy. There are two ways to create a hierarchy in Tableau. So in the visual pane, for now you can see I've only added some of cells into the rows. So I'll drag and drop the hierarchy once we create it. Let's see how to create it. In this, the use case that we would be referring would be, like, suppose I want to club category and subcategory into a hierarchy named as category hierarchy. Let's see how to do it. So the very first way is, like, I can click on the category, I can click on this small arrow, or I can right click on it. So once I do it, and in the drop down you will see there is an option hierarchy, and we can click on create hierarchy. Now it will ask us to name it. I will name it as category hierarchy. So once we do it, we can click on OK, and you can see only category is existing in the category hierarchy. Now I want to also add subcategory to this. What I can do is I can click on this and I can drag and drop it into subcategory hierarchy. So once I do it, now you see even subcategory is available here. This is how we create the hierarchy, the dimension hierarchy in Tableau. Now even we can like arrange the elements into the hierarchy. I can drag and drop it at the top of subcategory. This is how we like arrange the elements in the hierarchy. Now suppose I want to use this category hierarchy into my visual. I'll drag and drop this category hierarchy into the visual. Once we do it, now you will notice that only the category is visible, but you will have a small plus sign along with it. So now if I click on this plus sign, the lower level of the category, that is subcategory, would be expanded. So this is how the dimension hierarchy looks in the visual. So the sum of sales for the furniture category and all the subcategories under furniture are being listed on the x-axis. So this is how the dimension hierarchy is being created in Tableau. Now let's see another way to create a hierarchy. Now suppose again I need to create the category and the subcategory hierarchy. The first way we did was right click and click on hierarchy. Now the second way is you can directly push that element, click on it, drag and drop it on the name of category. Once you do it, it will say a name. By default, both the names would be given. We can give it the name as dimension hierarchy and we'll click on OK. Now once I do it, you will see a new dimension hierarchy is created with category and subcategory into it. Now we can drag and drop it to the columns. Again the same thing, there would be a plus sign, and by default the upper element of the hierarchy would be available. Now if I click on this plus, I'll see the subcategory as well from the hierarchy. Again, if I don't want to see the lower level, I can click on this minus and I would be able to see the above level of the hierarchy. So this is how we create a dimension hierarchy in Tableau.
If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.